Hi traders, welcome to Traders Wealth Group. This is Sharma here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And I request you all to watch this video till the end. I would like to show you the indicator that works so well in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex, or in any stocks. You can use an any NIFTY. This is called Gann, bearish and bullish breakouts and breakdown levels. And then after that we have Fibonacci levels. This has been updated with a table where you can find the R1, R2, R3, R4, I mean S1, S2. And also I have given the grade, whether the stock is ready to execute or not. And after that, I have given the action, whether to buy a call option or whether to buy a put option. And then you can also see the entry points are given here. So without wasting time, I'll show you this video's performance. So please watch till the end. And if you like this video, please click the like button and be with me in YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is new. I request you all to join this. And we can also discuss more if you want more about this, to know more about this. You can contact me at my number 949-234-0656. My number is 949-234-0656. Now let me explain you. This is called auto Traders Wealth auto Gann levels. So there is also one more indicator. This is Gann levels. Two Gann levels are given, and two Fibonacci levels are given, which are very important. They automatically plot on our stocks or Nifty. For example, yesterday it was on Friday. It is automatically plotted, and you can see the green line is previous day high, and when it came down to previous day high and it went up, retraced, and after that, once Gann bullish is crossed with a green candle, then it is confirmed that it is a bullish stock. So not only Nifty, you can also check with what you call Bank Nifty and any stock like Bajaj Finance or bearish stocks like Bajaj Auto. You can see once there are no green candles crossing above this, then we can go for a put option in this. So you can go back and check also. For example, Nifty, if I want to check, then you can see there were no red candles below on Thursday, so it was bullish. Then again, you can come over here and see when it went up and it retraced from here and came down. So you can see the historical retracement points also. So this is one of the best indicators that are related to my stock selection, because I believe in I mostly use Gann levels, Fibonacci levels, and for stocks I use build up stocks. Okay, so this is about indicators. This can be used in options also. For example, if I want to check my option here, I can check my option over here, and I can find out the stop loss easily. I can find out the targets also very easily with the lines that I have that help us. Okay, and in Bank Nifty also it happened so like this, and it was so good yesterday. So of course market was bullish yesterday. Some of the stocks they were fallen. They also worked so well. Okay, if it all bearish, then it has come down. So if you want this indicator, you can contact me at my number 949-234-0656. It's my number. I'm just typing it here, 949-234-0656. You can go back and check any day. For example, if I want to check on some other day, where is this one? So on that day, this was on 4th of June. You can see there were no red candles crossing below this. Okay, and so it took very good support of the Fibonacci levels and went up. So similarly on Friday, on Nifty also you can check back, go back and check any day. So you can just go back and check. See on that day, 5th of this month, you can see there were no red candles closing, green candles closing above that. So your direction is very clearly mentioned here, and you can understand the direction of the stock or Nifty or whatever you want to check. For example, if you want to check Nifty Sensex also, you can check in this. If you want to check crude also works so well. I have explained them how well this Gann levels are, perfectly working on that. Every day, Friday. See, it is on Friday. You can see there is a rejection here. There was a rejection here, Then exactly it went up to at about 19:30, 7:30. It went up and there were no green candle. It came down, and also like that you can see on any other day. So you can see on the on this is 11th of Thursday, 11th of this month Thursday. So you can see there were no green candles above that. So these are the landmarks of the all the indicators and all the instruments. You will come to know from where market will go up, from where market will go down. So what is the retrace point, and all these things you will come to know. I'll explain you. I'll give you a training if at all. If you want this indicator, please contact me at my number 94923400656. Thank you. Have a wonderful, profitable day.